CO3. And when you count up the chemicals, CO3 had 1, Na had 2, Cl had 2, and Ba had 1. Then at the top of the page, you can see I have Na, I have 2 NAs, which is sodium, and 1 CO3. There are 2 NAs because each Na can give the CO3 each electron, and it's a perfect match. To the right, there is Ba and 2 Cls. Ba can also give each one an electron, and it is also a perfect match. To the right of that, there is Ba plus 2, Cl minus 1, and chlorine. Since there's a plus 2 charge, it would be easier than having chlorine's 14 electrons give up on their outer shell. To the right of that, there's Na plus 1, and then CO3 minus 2. Na has 2 electrons, which is sodium, and CO3 is a minus 2 charge, which means it has electrons on the outer shell. Going down the page, you can see the 3 different dot diagrams. You can see my drawings, not my dot diagram, my drawings. You can see Ba and CO3 in the first box. Ba has 2 electrons, and CO3 only has 7. This means it's a perfect match, and I don't have to do any extra work or writing. And then you can see going down to the next box, there is Na and Cl. Na has 1 electron, and Cl has 7. Again, another perfect match. And then you can see Na, Cl, then there's Cl, and that also has 7 electrons, so it's another perfect match. When you go to my balanced equations, the first equation was BaCl2 plus Na2 and CO3. When you rearrange that equation, the equation comes out to BaCO3 5 or S plus 2 NaCl aqueous. BaCO3, if you put it in water, it would dissolve, or it would stay a solid. 2 NaCl aqueous would dissolve. When you go down to my ionic equations, the equation before was Ba plus 2 aqueous plus 2Cl aqueous plus 2Na plus 1 aqueous plus CO3 minus 2. Ba plus 2 aqueous plus CO3 minus 2 would be a solid. Plus 2 Na plus 1 aqueous plus 2Cl aqueous would both be liquids. And when you go down to my net ionic equation, it's a little messy, but because I wrote the equation backwards maybe, but net ionic equation is Na2 CO3 aqueous plus BaCl2 aqueous NaCl aqueous. When you rearrange, that is NaCl aqueous plus BaCO3 CO3 32 CO3 2 minus aqueous plus Ba plus 2 aqueous BaCO3. And that is the equation you are left with after, and it is solid and a liquid.